I have MICROMAX Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer right here, let's activate the keypad, and let's use this secret code, *## 06 £, and as you can see, IMEI number just pops up. Tap OK to close this. You can also get access to this information by using settings, and in that way you can check also the serial number. So let's use the apps icon, find here and select settings, then scroll down, choose here about phone, choose the status, select here IMEI information, and here we've got the IMEI numbers, and you can also here find and select serial number and also Wi-Fi MAC address, Bluetooth address, IP address. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.